Hello and welcome back to the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. I am so happy that you stopped by today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the unboxing and putting up of the Christmas tree in my home. This is going to be in my bedroom and I have a little helper here. So it's taken a lot longer than it would normally take me to do this because I have my 3-year-old granddaughter here. The tree is from Michael's. It is a 7.5 foot flock tree. And we're going to try to get it up before we jump right in though. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome. I'm so happy that you stopped by my channel today, and I hope that you'll enjoy yourself enough to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can be notified of each video that I upload. And if you're a returning family member, welcome back, and I hope that your holiday season is going well so far. So let's go ahead and jump into this video. I'm just taking it out and going through that whole fluffing process, and Reagan is showing you her popcorn, so we're just trying to stay focused here. So let's keep going. I'm getting her approval on how the tree is looking so far, and she's giving me her thumbs up. So now I'm going ahead and I'm just cutting some ribbon. I picked up this polka dot ribbon from Hobby Lobby, and I'm just cutting it into strips approximately the same size and just kind of tucking them in the tree. You will see I am definitely not a professional at putting up a tree, but I do put up trees every year and I do enjoy them immensely, especially the one in my bedroom. I really like having a tree in my bedroom every year. So tell me in the comments below, do you also put trees up in your bedroom? It is so nice to be able to just lay in your bed and, you know, just in the evening and decompress and put on a good movie or something and just have your tree going. I just enjoy it so much. And I'm actually not going to be putting up my main tree in my living room this year because my grandchildren are here visiting and they're going to be here for a little bit. So to keep from, you know, just constantly having to redecorate the tree, I just decided to only put one up here in my bedroom. I have one in my office, and I'm putting a small one up in the family room, a very, very small one that's going to be the kids' tree. My grandson is only 15 months old, so he definitely would love the tree and would love to take everything off. So rather than going through that, we're still going to have wonderful holiday decorations around the house, but it's going to be kid friendly. So we're just going ahead and putting these bows on. Now these are not bows, I'm sorry, these are poinsettias, and they are the dark navy blue. That's my theme this year for my bedroom, is the navy blue and white. And I picked these up at Hobby Lobby, and as you know, Hobby Lobby is having their 50% off for Christmas, so I was able to get all of my navy blue poinsettias and the ribbon there for a very cheap price. And then I'm using silver with my tree as well, and all of the silver I already had in my Christmas stash. And you can see we're having a little bit of difference in decorating style here, so we'll see how things turn out. So now we're going to the reveal. It took only a whole week to get this tree up because I, had to keep stopping. I was babysitting, and that was all good. I enjoyed every moment of it. But this is what I put together for my little bedroom sanctuary, and I really enjoy it. I picked up these pillow covers off of Amazon, and the blue bulbs I got at the end of the season last year. So I already had those, as well as that sleigh. And the little Christmas tree, I already had those in my stash. I picked up these little candles here from Lidl, and they were only $5.99, and they are the flameless candles, but they have a little flicker, so it looks like real fire, which I love, and that was a great price of $5.99 for those. So I really did like them. I really like the way that the tree turned out. It's very different for me. I've never done the silver and navy, but I really do like it quite a bit. So I'm happy with it, and it's the perfect because it's the pencil tree, so it's perfect for a bedroom. Doesn't take up too much space, so I'm enjoying it. Now, as always, I love to have a fireplace app or video going on my YouTube, and this one is by Homebody by Ferlisa. She put up a video of a crackling fireplace, and I absolutely love it, and so that's what I have playing now. If you're not familiar with Ferlisa's channel, you want to check her out. She does extraordinary home decor. She's doing her Christmas series right now, and it's just absolutely beautiful, all the things that she puts out. So check her out over there. So I put this little, it's actually to hang on the on a door or something like that in front of my TV. I just put it there as like a little spray so that I can enjoy that, and I just put a couple of the poinsettias in there as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that you will subscribe if you're not currently, and I hope to see you back over here on my next